Conclusion. Many people find the idea of changing their lifestyle a daunting task, and truth be told, it really is. It takes a lot of hard work and dedication to make it work. But if you are willing to put forth the effort and really follow through on the choices you know will change your life for the better, there will be no stopping you. Adopting a paleo lifestyle may seem challenging at first, but truth be told, it can start to feel incredibly easy to really focus on making the choices we know for sure will help to lead us to a better life. The paleo diet is wonderful and simple, and with it you may end up finding a whole new lease on life. It is incredibly rewarding to be able to look at an unhealthy food that once held us in its grips and acknowledge that it was a vice and one we sincerely no longer crave. It is natural to fall off the wagon every once in a while. It can be hard to change a lot of things at once, which is why it is important to remember that we are not just going paleo for the look of it. We are doing it to make our lives better, to help our bodies function better, and to enhance our minds. It can bring about a wonderful change in attitude, and the endorphins we receive from exercising and eating right will make it nearly impossible to get depressed. And this is so important. The most crucial thing about changing your lifestyle is that you have to remember to forgive yourself. Sure, we all make choices that we regret. We all do things we wish we hadn't done. We all treat ourselves and our bodies with less respect than we treat others at times, and that can be very sad to realize. But don't let your guilt and shame hold you back from reaching out to grab the life you want. You do deserve it, even if you keep telling yourself that you don't. Work on the issues that you identify as troublesome and understand the ways that keep you from going after the life you want. Once they are addressed, you are good to go. Our diets are a very important and personal thing. They are a huge part of who we are, and many of us are incredibly attached to the foods we eat. We develop relationships with food. We develop memories around eating. And it can be scary and sad to begin to veer away from favorites and comforting things that we have become used to sharing with those we love. But the thing to remember is that we are not giving up on the things we love. We are loving ourselves enough to make healthy choices so we can live and love even longer than we were setting ourselves up to do before. Not only that, but whole new rituals can be made around your new diet and your new favorites. You can share them with family and friends and know that you are doing what needs to be done to stay with the ones you care about as long as possible. It is up to you to determine what your definition of success should be. Never let anyone else do that for you. Going paleo will help you to develop confidence and understand yourself better than ever. You have to face yourself and really push through any little thing that might hold you back before you can reach the top. And if you aren't willing to face yourself, then all you can ever really hope to do is to stumble upon situations that won't bring you down. Don't be the person who lets life happen to them. Take the power in your hand and carve life out for yourself. That's the way it was meant to be. Did our Paleolithic ancestors wait for animals to come to them? No way. They went out and found the herd, then followed where it led until they had everything they needed. Take their lead. They went out and took control of their lives. They identified their needs, and then, no matter how challenging it seemed to be, they went out and did what they had to do to survive. And because of that drive, the drive they passed down to each and every one of us, we are still on Earth. We are still living every day. Now do their memories the honor they deserve and live that life to the fullest while you still can. Going paleo will not fix everything that goes wrong in life, but it will certainly help you to be better prepared to face whatever may lie ahead. Eating clean and getting lean will not only help you to look and feel great, but it will also ensure that no matter what you do, you are giving it your best shot. And that is something that we and our ancestors can be very proud of. So, go out there and give it your all. There's no reason not to be your best self. Starting now.